Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shivam Batra and today we will start exercise 12.2 of chapter 12, area related to circles. So in this exercise we will talk about how to find area of sector, that is minor sector and major sector, and we will also talk about the segment, minor segment and the major segment. So first of all, let us see how to find area of a sector and what is a sector first. Suppose this is a circle with a center O. This is the radius R. We cut a piece from this circle, this piece OAB. This is the piece, clear? And this is the angle theta which is made at the center. So this part, this shaded part is called the minor sector of this circle. Clear everyone? And the remaining part of this circle, this part, this is called the major sector of this circle. So this part only, the smaller part is called the minor sector. That means the figure obtained by the two radius and a arc is called minor sector, and the other part, the larger part, is called the major sector, and the angle made here is theta. So area of minor sector is given by pi r square theta divided by 360. So this is the formula to calculate area of the minor sector, pi r square theta by 360, where theta is the angle subtended at the center. Similarly, if you want to find area of major sector, so either we can take theta as this one, this will be our new theta, or if this is theta, then we can take pi r square 360 minus theta divided by 360. Because if this is theta, the whole angle is 360, so the remaining part will be 360 minus theta. So these are the two formulas to find the value of the area of minor sector and the major sector. Now we will talk about the segment. So suppose there is another circle of radius r. This is center O, this is radius R, and this is AB. First of all, let us talk about the formula to find the length of arc. Length of minor arc, that is this part AB. So this will be equals to 2 pi r theta divided by 360. So this is the formula to calculate length of the minor arc. And in case we want to find the length of the major arc, then we can take length of major arc, this one, the larger part AB. This will be equal to 2 pi r minus 2 pi r theta divided by 360. That means the difference of the circumference of the circle, the circumference of the whole circle minus the minor arc will give the value of the major arc. So these are the two formulas. Now we will talk about the segment. Suppose this AB is the chord here. So this shaded part is called the minor segment, and the remaining part, the upper part, will be the major segment. The remaining circle will be the major segment. Now, how to find the area of this minor segment? Area of minor segment, and this is angle theta here. Clear everyone? So now area of minor segment, this we can write as area of sector minus area of this triangle OAB. So area of minor sector minus area triangle AOB. And what is area of the minor sector? Pi r square theta by 360 minus, in case of theta, whenever the angle theta is given here and we want to find the area of the triangle, so here half base into height will not be possible because we don't know the height here. So if we want to find the area of the triangle whenever the angle is given, so this is the formula, half r square sin theta. So this half r square sine theta is basically the area of this triangle OAB. So we will put the value here. So this will be our formula to calculate the area of the minor segment, and in case we want to find area of major segment, so this will be equal to pi r square area of circle, or we can write directly area of circle minus area of minor segment. So if we subtract the area of minor segment from the whole circle, then we will get the area of the major segment. Clear? So these are few formulas which we will use in this exercise. So now we can start the exercise 12.2. Let's see question number 1. Find the area of a sector of circle with radius 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is 60 degree. So we are given here radius of circle, that means r is equal to 6 centimeter, and the angle of the sector is, that is theta, this is equals to 60 degree. So we need to find the area of the sector. So what is the area of the sector? Area of the sector is pi r square theta divided by 360. Clear everyone? So we will put the values here. Pi is 22/7, r is 6, theta is 60 divided by 360. So this will be equals to 132/7 centimeter square. So this is the area of the sector. Now question number 2. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Circumference of circle is given. Circumference is equal to 22 centimeter. We have to find the area of the quadrant. What is the quadrant? If we divide the circle in 4 equal parts, then each part is called the quadrant of the circle. So 2 pi r will be equal to 22. This is the circumference. So 2 into 22/7 into r is equal to 22. This will cancel out. R will be equal to 7/2 centimeter. This is the radius of the circle. Now we will find the area of the quadrant. Suppose this is the circle. So 1/4 part of this circle each part of this circle, that is 1/4 part of this circle, is called the quadrant here. And if it is quadrant, then each angle here is 90. Because all parts are equal, so angle will be same for each part. So theta will be 90. Theta is 90. So area of quadrant will be pi r square theta divided by 360. Because each quadrant is in the form of a sector here. We can see this is the radius and this is the arc. So this will be a sector. So we will put the values. 22/7, r is 7/2, theta is 90 divided by 360. So this will be equal to 77/8 centimeter square. So this was the second question. See question number 3 now. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So there is a clock and the length of the minute hand is 14 centimeter. So this will be the radius of the circle, and we have to calculate how much area it swipes in 5 minutes. Suppose this is 12 here, this will be 1. So we have to tell the area. We can see that this figure is a sector, so we have to basically find the area of the sector. Radius we know, we have to find the angle to further calculate the area of the sector. So we can see that angle, so swipe by minute hand in 60 minutes. We know that after 60 minutes the minute hand comes to the initial position, that it completes one revolution here. So this will be the 360. It will complete the whole angle, that is the 360. So angle swipe by minute hand in 1 minute, that is 360 by 60, and we have to tell angle swipe by minute hand in 5 minutes. So this will be 360 by 60 into 5. This will be equal to 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree here. In each minute the minute hand swipes angle of 6 degree. So after 5 minutes it will swipe angle of 30 degree. So now we have to find area. Area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. So this will be pi r square theta by 360, because this forms a sector here. So pi is 22 by 7, radius is 14, theta is 30 divided by 360. 3 12 6. So this will be equals to 154 by 3 centimeter square. So this is the final answer. Now question number 4. A chord of circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends the right angle at the center. So there is a chord in a circle. Let us say the chord is AB. It subtends a right angle at the center. That means this angle is 90 degree. Clear everyone? Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. First of all, we have to calculate area of the minor segment. So this is the minor segment here, a shaded part. So we have to calculate the area of this minor segment. And what is the formula? Pi r square theta by 360 minus half r square sin theta. Theta is 90 here. So r is equals to 10 centimeter. Theta is 90 degree. So area of minor segment. Pi r square theta by 360 minus half r square sin theta. So we will put the values here. So this will be 22 by pi is I guess 3.14. We have to use pi 3.14 here. 3.14 into 10 into 10 into 90 by 360 minus half 10 into 10 and sin 90. Sin 90 is, the value of sin 90 is 1. So we can remove sin 90 here. So this will be 5. This will be 314 into, this 0 will cancel, 314 by 4 minus 50. So the final answer after calculation will be 28.5 centimeters square. So this is the area of the minor segment. This was the first part. In the second part, we have to calculate the area of the. Now we will find in the second part area of major sector. So what is area of major sector? Either we can take the angle of major sector or we can subtract the area of minor sector from the whole circle. Clear? So if this is the angle 90 degree, then the rest of the angle will be equals to 270 degree. So we can use this angle 270 degree to find area of the major sector. So this will be pi r square. Now theta will be 270 by 360. So pi is 22 by 7, 10 into 10. This will be 3 by 4. So answer will be 235.5 centimeter square. So this was question number 4. Let's see question number 5 now. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So there is a circle with radius 21 centimeter. Theta is equals to 60 degree. So we have to find the length of the arc first. So the formula of length of arc is 2 pi arc theta divided by 360, or we can write pi r theta by 180. So this will be 2, 22 by 7, r is 21, theta is 60 divided by 60. 2 3 are 3 7 are 7. So 22 centimeter is the length of the arc. Now second part, area of sector. This will be pi r square theta by 360. So pi is 22 by 7, r is 21, theta is 60 divided by 360. So this will be equals to 231 centimeter square. So this is the area of the sector. Third, we have to find the area of the segment. So area of segment. So area of segment is equal to area of the sector minus half r square sine theta. Pi r square theta by 360 minus half r square sine theta. This value we have already calculated. This is equals to 231. So this will be 231 minus half r is 21 sine 60. And what is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is 231 minus 1 by 2. 21 into 21 is 441 into root 3 by 2. So this is 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. So this is the answer. You can also calculate the answer in the decimal form by putting the value of root 3 equals to 1.73. Otherwise this answer is also correct. So this was question number 5. Now question number 6. A chord of a circle of radius 15 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at center. So radius is given. Radius is equals to 15 cm and angle theta is equals to 60 degree. Now we have to find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. So first of all we will calculate area of minor segment. So area of minor segment. This is equals to pi r square theta divided by 360 minus half r square sine theta. So this will be pi is 3.14. 3.14 into 15 into 15, theta is 60 divided by 360 minus half 15 into 15 into sine 60. Now we have to put the value of sine 60 here because it is given in the question. So this will be 6. So after evaluating, this will be 3.14 into 15 into 15 by 6 minus 225 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Value of root 3 is 1.73. So this will be equals to, the first part will be 117.75 centimeter square minus the second part will be 97.31 centimeter square, or we can write the units at last, and after subtracting the answer will be 20.44 centimeter square. So this is the area of the minor segment. Now we have to calculate area of the major segment. I already told you that if we subtract the area of minor segment from the major from area of the circle, we find the area of the major segment. So to find area of major segment, we will write area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle is pi r square minus this value we have already calculated 20.44, 3.14 into 15 into 15 minus 20.44. So this we have to evaluate. So this will be equals to 706.5 minus 20.44. So after subtracting, the answer will be 686.06 centimeter square. So this is question number 6. Now question number 7. A chord of circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the value of corresponding segment, that is the minor segment. Use pi 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73. So what is area of minor segment? This is equals to pi r square theta by 360 minus half r square sine theta. So this will be 3.14 into 12 into 12. Theta is 120 divided by 360 minus half 12 into 12 is 144 into sine 120. Those who don't know the value of sine 120, this is root 3 by 2. So this will be 2 by 6 3. So after evaluating, the answer will be sine 120 is root 3 by 2. So this part will be 150.72 minus this will be half 144 into root 3 by 2, and root 3 is 1.73. So this will be 150.72 minus this part is 62.28. So after subtracting, the final answer will be 88.44 centimeter square. Questions are simple. There is a little calculation in these questions. So we will complete the exercise in the next video. Till then, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.